Hey everyone! Today we're setting up the Meross Smart Plug Mini. And honestly, it's one of my favorite budget-friendly smart home devices. At just $13.99. It packs serious features. Let's get started. First things first, let's see what you get. Inside the box is the compact plug, which is surprisingly small, plus a straightforward quick start guide. That's really all you need to get rolling. The first step is downloading the Meross app. Head to your phone's App Store or Google Play. Search for Meross Smart Home and download the official app. Sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Now plug the device into a power outlet. In the Meross app, tap Add Device and select this plug. You'll see a HomeKit code on the packaging. Just scan it, and boom, it's connected to your Wi-Fi and HomeKit instantly. Super simple. Give your plug a descriptive name so you remember what it's controlling. Maybe it's your coffee maker, desk lamp, or fan. Then assign it to the correct room in HomeKit, Alexa, or Google Home. This makes voice control way more intuitive. Here's where it gets fun. You can control your devices from anywhere using the app. You can also set schedules, like turning on lights at sunset or powering down devices at bedtime. Plus, the timer feature is perfect for safety, like automatically shutting off space heaters. Once it's set up, voice control is effortless. Just say things like, "Hey Siri, turn on the coffee maker," or "Alexa, turn off the fan," and it responds instantly. It works seamlessly across Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. That's it. The Meross Smart Plug Mini is an awesome, affordable way to start your smart home journey. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're plugging in. Thanks so much for watching.